If you spend any time looking at modern diet advice, you have almost certainly heard sugar referred to as white poison. Pure sugar is not inherently toxic. On a molecular level, it is a carbohydrate, a straightforward arrangement of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen that the human body is evolved to process. And here is a biological reality that challenges another popular diet rule. You do not need to eat meat for your body to build muscle. Before you attack me in the comments, withhold your defensive reactions for a few minutes. The strict binary rules of modern diet marketing are highly effective for selling programs, but they obscure the actual metabolic reality of how your body processes fuel and builds tissue. To see how this works, we have to go inside a human cell. The standard assumption is that when glucose enters your cells, it serves only as a fleeting spark of energy, a fuel source meant to be burned immediately. But the cell has another option. It can break that glucose down and pull apart its core atoms. Your body rearranges the separated parts, converting them into new carbon structures. These structures lock into place to form the foundational architecture for certain amino acids. Glucose is often discussed only as an energy source, but its carbon backbone also provides the physical matter required for structural growth. To turn those building blocks into muscle, your cell requires one specific element: nitrogen. Add a source of nitrogen, and the cell binds it to those carbon structures, allowing your body to synthesize amino acids from scratch. The cell takes these new molecules and weaves them together to form tissues, enzymes, and dense muscle fibers. Which means, yes, on a strict biochemical level, sugar and nitrogen can partially produce human protein. Because the human body can manufacture several amino acids on its own, people can build significant, strong muscular tissue without ever consuming meat. There is, however, a strict biological catch. There are 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot synthesize in sufficient amounts. While your internal chemical factory is highly capable, its limits mean you must obtain those 9 specific essential molecules from outside resources. Those 9 essential amino acids absolutely have to come from your diet. But those essential building blocks are not exclusive to meat. You can fulfill this biological requirement through eggs, dairy products, or fish, or by combining different plant-based protein sources like soy and legumes. A bowl of pure sugar cannot build a bicep by itself, but a steak is not the exclusive pathway to a muscular physique. Building muscle requires a specific chemical trio: glucose to provide energy and basic carbon structures, nitrogen to allow internal synthesis, and a varied diet to supply the essential gaps your body cannot fill. When someone tells you that sugar is a poison and meat is absolutely necessary for building muscle, they are reducing the complex chemistry of your body into a highly marketable slogan. Sugar is not the devil, and meat is not magic. The real issue is the amount, your overall diet, and what specific molecules your cells are actually missing. So tell me in the comments, did we learn to hate sugar because of science or because of marketing?